One of the most important factors in following a recipe is using the correct measurements. While many may think that any measuring cup will do, there's a difference between liquid and dry measuring cups, and some are more accurate than others.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best measuring cups in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 3-piece angled measuring cup set. These OXO measuring cups are stackable and won't take up much room in your cabinets or countertops. In testing, our lab experts found that they had accurate measurement readings across the board and scored an overall 5 out of 5 in performance. The set of 3 features standard cup markings as well as ounces and milliliters. The red lettering makes it easy to read, and the angled measurements on the inside of each cup also lets you easily read from above. The plastic cups are lightweight with a comfortable rubber handle and have an oval rime and pointed spout, perfect for pouring into narrow openings. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 4-piece stainless steel measuring cups. This 8-piece stainless steel, medium weight set was the top performer in our tests for dry measuring cups, scoring 4.5 out of 5 and had the most accurate reading out of all dry measuring cup sets tested. The rubber handle makes for a comfortable hold, and scooping is a breeze. The handles also feature clear and large printed measurement markings, so you don't have to wonder if you have the correct spoon or cup when baking cookies. Each cup and spoon is magnetized, which helps for a neat and organized stack. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 2-cup adjustable measuring cup. This one cup does it all. It holds 2 cups and is adjustable with a simple twist to align the body with the cup's measurements. There are separate measurement marks for liquid or dry ingredients in U.S. and metric measures. And there's no need to grab another cup for a new amount, you simply twist to set a new measurement and fill the cup again. As our tester found out, adjustable measuring cups aren't the easiest to use for thin liquids or dry ingredients. But where they excel are for sticky liquids like honey or thick ingredients like peanut butter or Greek yogurt. To use this, you'd turn the cup over and twist to push the ingredients out. A silicone disc on the pusher scrapes the sides clean as you push the ingredients out, so you won't waste a drop. For cleaning, just slide the 2 pieces apart and wash them on the top rack of your dishwasher. Number 4. Endurance Oval Measuring Scoop. Measuring scoops are great for leaving in canisters of frequently used items, whether it's sugar, rice, or pet food. No need to wash the scoop each time, since there's no cross-contamination. Just leave the scoop in the canister for the next use. If a smaller quantity is needed, the scoop makes it easy to fill a traditional measuring cup. Our home tester found the 5.75-inch long handle was comfortable while scooping flour, and it makes it simple to dip deep into a canister. The 18/8 stainless steel is durable and non-corrosive. When it needs to be cleaned, or it's time to move it to another canister, the scoop is dishwasher safe. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 7-piece nesting measuring beaker set. This set of 7 beakers can measure any quantity you need from 1 cup down to 1 teaspoon. The beakers are handle-free, and they nest neatly together, so the entire set stores in the same space as a drinking glass, as our tester noted. Shaped like beakers, these have a pouring spout that makes neat, precise pouring easy, even if you've overpoured the vanilla and you want to return some to the bottle. The set includes 1 cup, 0.66 cup, 0.5 cup, 2 ounce, 1 ounce, 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon beakers, with both U.S. and metric measurements. Our home tester noted that the colorful bottoms are grippy as well, making it easy to do a level pour. Since each beaker has incremental measurements, larger beakers can also be used for smaller measures, making this set great for mise en place when ingredients need to be added separately. That was our list of the top 5 best measuring cups just for you.